Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best KRAUS kitchen sink available. The KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch Undermount Single Bowl 16-gauge Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink. Model KHU 100-30. This sink combines durability, design, and functionality to elevate your kitchen experience. Starting with its build, this sink features heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel construction. KRAUS uses premium-grade T304 stainless steel, which is known for its exceptional corrosion resistance and strength. The thickness of 16-gauge offers a perfect balance, thick enough to stand up to daily wear and tear, yet not so heavy that it's difficult to install or manage. This makes it highly durable against dents and damage, promising years of reliable use. The overall size of the sink is 30 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 10.5 inches deep, with the bowl dimensions slightly smaller at 28 by 16 by 10 inches. It's designed for installation in cabinets with a minimum width of 33 inches, making it a good fit for a variety of kitchen layouts. The undermount design is a standout feature, providing a seamless transition from countertop to sink. This means no exposed edges to trap dirt or grime, allowing for easier cleaning and a sleek modern look. One of the thoughtful design elements in this sink is the tightly rounded corners inside the bowl. Not only do these corners contribute to the sleek appearance, but they also make cleaning a breeze, preventing debris buildup and ensuring better hygiene. The bottom of the sink is sloped with channel grooves that guide water toward the drain, helping to prevent water pooling and making sure the sink dries faster after use. Speaking of drains, the sink comes as a complete kit including a bottom grid, a drain assembly with a strainer, mounting hardware, and a cutout template. KRAUS even includes a kitchen towel, which is a nice touch. This makes the installation process more convenient and ensures you have all the necessary components without needing additional purchases. The sink's surface features a wear-resistant satin finish. This finish is not only attractive but also designed to resist corrosion and rust, maintaining its fresh look over time. The satin texture also helps hide scratches and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking pristine even with heavy use. Another important aspect is the certification and listing by multiple quality and safety standards. These certifications guarantee that the sink meets strict manufacturing and safety standards, offering peace of mind to consumers. In terms of style, the KRAUS Standart Pro is a versatile rectangular single-bowl sink that fits well into various kitchen aesthetics, from contemporary to traditional. Its stainless steel color and sleek design make it easy to pair with different countertop materials and kitchen fixtures. To summarize, the KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch undermount kitchen sink stands out for its combination of heavy-duty construction, smart design features like rounded corners and sloped bottom, and the convenience of a complete installation kit. Its satin finish enhances durability and appearance, while the undermount style offers a seamless countertop integration. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or installing a new sink, this model delivers exceptional value and performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen with a reliable and stylish sink, the KRAUS Standart Pro 30-inch stainless steel sink is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product insights. See you in the next video.